Happy day, everyone! Welcome to EnglishReadingBasic1. This is Teacher Jara, and I will be with you for less than 10 minutes as we deal with the preview of another fun and interesting English passage. Come and join me as we study the book English Reading Basic 1. Today, we will tackle Unit 23. In this article, it's about Hurricane Katrina. Let's read the article. But first, I will read it slowly so you can be familiar with the correct pronunciation of the words. And after that, you can join me as I read it for the second time. So listen carefully. I will start now. What is the name you hate the most? If you ask people in Louisiana this question, they will say Katrina. On the morning of August 29, 2005, people in Louisiana, USA were frightened. Hurricane Katrina came to Louisiana. The strong wind broke down a lot of houses, buildings, and trees. It also killed many people. But the disaster didn't end there. The hurricane flooded the whole city of New Orleans. The damage caused by the hurricane was about $81.2 billion. It was the most disastrous hurricane in U.S. history. So let's have it one more time. Let's make it faster. What is the name you hate the most? If we ask people in Louisiana this question, they will say Katrina. On the morning of August 29, 2005, people in Louisiana, USA were frightened. Hurricane Katrina came to Louisiana. The strong wind broke down a lot of houses, buildings, and trees. It also killed many people. But the disaster didn't end there. The hurricane flooded the whole city of New Orleans. The damage caused by the hurricane was about $81.2 billion. It was the most disastrous hurricane in U.S. history. So I hope you got all the words correctly. And if you have free time, you can go back to this video and improve your reading ability. Now let's have some exercises related to this topic. Let's check the level of your understanding about the passage. Let's answer our first activity, which is select true or false. Here, you need to analyze each sentences, and you need to identify which sentence is true and which one is false. So let's have number 1. Katrina is the name of a hurricane. True or false? This sentence is true. So let's go back to the passage and let's check the sentence in the passage. Hurricane Katrina came to Louisiana. So sentence number 1 is absolutely true. Now let's go to number 2. Katrina caused a lot of damage in California. True or false? This sentence is false. Let's check what word made it wrong. Here's the sentence. The hurricane flooded the whole city of New Orleans. And remember, New Orleans is in the state of Louisiana, so not in California. That's why sentence number 2 is false. Now let's have number 3. The hurricane killed many people. True or false? This sentence is true. So let's check the sentence in the passage that will support our answer. It also killed many people. So sentence number 3 is absolutely true. Now let's move on to our word box. This word box contains 8 words that will help you improve your vocabulary. It also contains the correct pronunciation of the words and its Korean meaning. So, let's have the words. Please repeat after me. Hate, frighten, hurricane, disaster, flood, hole, damage, and the last one, billion. So remember those words, okay? And if you have free time, you can use these words in making flashy sentences. Now for our last activity, we have vocabulary checkup. Here, you need to fill in the blank to have the complete thought of the sentence. You can choose your answers from our word box. Let's have number 1. I cleaned the blank classroom. What do you think is the missing word? The right word is whole. I cleaned the whole classroom. For number 2, the blank came after the war. So find the missing word. Good job! The right answer is disaster. The disaster came after the war. For number 3, a big blank will come next week. So what do you think is the right word for this sentence? It's the word hurricane. A big hurricane will come next week. And for number 4, the blank is very serious. What do you think is the missing word? The correct answer is damage. The damage is very serious. I hope you got all the words correctly. And this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. Again, this is Teacher Jara from EnglishReadingBasic1. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.